Reach for the stars. Touch, look, listen, learn. Study Tools video. This iBook utilizes the built-in study tools that enable students to highlight words and passages, define words, search for words, take notes within the text, create study cards, and take quizzes. Reach for the Stars is a free book in the iBook store. The table of contents provides a quick overview of each chapter in the book, including thumbnail pictures of each page within the chapter. To access the table of contents when the book is open, you can briefly expose the toolbar by tapping anywhere on the screen, except on the status bar in the very top of the screen. Quickly tap on the Table of Contents button. In the pop-up, tap on the Table of Contents button again. The Table of Contents will display one chapter at a time. To scroll to the next chapter, use one finger, swipe left. Drag one finger up to show all the sections within that chapter. Drag the page thumbnail dots to the far left to go back to the very beginning of the book. To see all of the thumbnail images in this chapter, drag one finger left or right through the thumbnail images. You can open Section 6 by tapping on page 6 in the thumbnails or by tapping on Section 6 in the chapter outline. We are going to open up Chapter 1, Section 4. Glossary terms are underlined in the text. Tap on the glossary term sonification, and a pop-up will appear. The pop-up appears with the definition. Tap on the Glossary Index button to view all of the glossary terms. The Glossary Index will automatically open to sonification, the selected glossary term. The Glossary Index displays the alphabetical list of glossary terms on the left 1/3 of the screen and the selected glossary term and definition on the right-hand side. To view another glossary term, use one finger to scroll up or down on the glossary words on the left side of the screen, then tap on the desired glossary word. You can also scroll through the glossary term and definition on the right side of the screen. The bottom of the screen tells where the glossary word is located within the book. Tap the Done button to exit the glossary term. Touch and hold the first word that you would like to highlight. When the magnifying glass appears, drag your finger to the right to highlight a word, phrase, sentence, or paragraph. I'm going to highlight animations. Tap on the highlighted text. A pop-up bar appears with the options to choose the color of the highlight, underline, delete note, make a note, or show more items. I'm going to tap on green. To look up the definition of a highlighted word, tap on Show More Options. The pop-up bar now displays Speak, Copy, Define, Search, and Share. Tap on Define. A pop-up appears with the definition of the state of being full of life. Students can easily create a note that appears in the margin as a colored sticky note. First, highlight the desired text. Then tap on the highlighted text. I'm going to tap on Animations. The pop-up bar will appear. Tap on Notes. A text field appears. Type in the definition of the word. Tap outside the pop-up to close. A small green sticky note appears in the margin to the left of Animations. Tap on the sticky note to see the text that you have created. Tap outside of the sticky note to close. After a student has highlighted text or created a sticky note, the student can access these study aids in My Notes. Tap anywhere on the screen, except in the status bar, to display the toolbar. Tap on the Notes button in the toolbar. The green Animations note that we just created appears with any other notes created in Chapter 1. The highlighted text and notes are automatically organized by chapters. To see notes that you've created in other chapters, tap on the desired chapter in the left column. I'm going to tap on Chapter 2. To view the note within the book, tap on the page number beside the highlighted word. Students can email their notes from the My Notes screen. Tap on the Share button. Select the desired note. Tap on the Email button. Complete the email address and send. Study cards are built-in digital flashcards. Reach for the Stars includes study cards for each glossary term and will automatically create study cards for each personal highlighted text and note. From the My Notes screen, tap on Study Cards button in the toolbar to access study cards. The highlighted text will appear on the front of the study card, and the personal sticky note will appear on the flip side of the study card. To swipe through the various cards, use one finger swipe left or right. Glossary Terms will have Glossary Term on the top of the card and will not be highlighted. The term will be on the front of the card and the definition will be on the flip side of the card. Tap the Done button to exit. Tap the Done button again to exit My Notes. Students can quickly search through Reach for the Stars to find additional references for a desired word or phrase. Highlight the desired word, then tap on the highlighted word to display the pop-up bar. I'm going to tap on Edwin Hubble. In the pop-up bar, tap on the arrow, which is Show More Options. Tap on Search. All the Edwin Hubble matches within Reach for the Stars will appear in the pop-up. There are 2 references for Edwin Hubble. Tapping on the reference will open that page. I'm going to move to Chapter 4, Section 9. Quiz questions called Fun Facts are also embedded into Reach for the Stars. If you tap on the wrong answer, a hint is given.
Cooler stars are red. Try again. Correct. The hottest stars are blue.
Tap on the Done button to exit. You have now learned about the study skill tools that are utilized in the book Reach for the Stars. Touch, Look, Listen, Learn.